Welcome back to the channel, everyone, and happy Saturday if you're watching this today. I wanted to do a video on my new desk setup because I wanted to update the channel with my end of 2023 desk setup. And also I think this could be useful for people who don't have like a lot of space in their room or house for a huge desk, because this is kind of a more unique desk because it comes out from the wall, as you can see here. And yeah, it doesn't take up too much space, but it still is about as useful as any other regular conventional desk. But yeah, let's get into my setup. So as I was saying before, it does come out from the wall. It's attached to the wall and it comes out like this in a desk fashion. But underneath there is a little storage compartment that I can't use right now because my TV is in the way. But if that's something that you need, it's there. Currently, I don't need it. So starting out on this side of the desk, I have my Pokemon themed consoles. We have the 20th edition Pokemon 3DS. It's the new 3DS, so this is pretty rare now, hard to find, and it's worth at least $500. We have the Sword and Shield 3DS, which is Zacian and Zamazenta. We have the Palkia and Dialga Switch, and then the Scarlet and Violet Switch OLED. And then behind it, we have this keychain holder from Japan. My homie Alex, he got me this from Japan. It's a Mew keychain holder, which I keep packed up because I don't really need any. I don't need my keys to be hanging, plus they're kind of heavy, so it wouldn't hold it. Speaking of Japan, he also got this Final Fantasy 7 just merch from Japan. I haven't opened it because I like to keep them kind of sealed and just on display in one of these cabinet areas. But yeah, that's one of the sections. This is going to be the right side of my my desk. And then if you go up to the top, you can see my whole Chainsaw Man volume collection. This is the manga is still continuing, so I kind of want to wait until they get a lot more before I buy more of them. And also I think it only goes up to 13 or 14 right now, so kind of waiting on that. But here's how it looks like from the top section, and we go down to here, and this is where I have my PS5 and Switch games. So you can see Final Fantasy 16, Hogwarts Legacy, Crisis Core, Final Fantasy 7 Reunion, Final Fantasy 16. So there's two of them because this is just like the deluxe pack, the outer part, and then this is the actual case for the disc. And then we have Final Fantasy 7 Remake Intergrade. And then right here, continuing the Final Fantasy collection, we have 12 the Zodiac Age, 10 and 10-2, 9, 7 and 8, 1 through 6. And then we have Pokemon Brilliant Diamond, Shining Pearl, Legend of Arceus, Violet and Scarlet. I also have Pokemon Shield, but I don't have the case. And then we go over here. We have this Stussy just candle dice thing my friend also got me. Because it's a candle, it's kind of beaten up, but it's still nice to have. And then we go down to this section. It has my laptop, the stand, and it has my AirPod Maxes right here. But yeah, this is the setup for the end of 2023 and likely going into 2024. So I just wanted to do a quick setup update. Let me know what you think about the setup and what you think I can include / improve about it. But right now I'm really liking how it is. Maybe I have to find something to put here just because it's empty. But yeah, this is pretty cool. If you'd be interested in a setup like this, I'll link similar setups from Amazon, because this one wasn't bought from Amazon. I think it was IKEA. But yeah, I'm gonna link some alternatives that are very similar. But without further ado, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next upload.